Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss additional practice sums based on power and exponent, which is very useful for standard 7 as well as standard 8. Done? So let's start with practice sums. So first, in all the sums we'll use laws of exponent that we have already studied in our previous video. So here let's start with the question number 1, and we will apply all the laws of exponents that we have studied in our previous video. So simplified, first one, here it is 2x cube multiply 3x raised to 7. So how it can be multiplied? So here constant numbers are 2 into 3 into exponents are x raised to 3 into x raised to 7. So for the multiplication of this constant, it's a 3 2s are 6, and multiplication of this exponent form. So here two powers are in multiplication, this base equal, so we can perform addition of this power. So 3 plus 7 is 10, so your answer is x raised to 3 plus 7, so it's a x raised to 10. So 6x raised to 10 is the answer. Clear, students? Very good. Next, suppose we are given 4x cube into 6x cube into x raised to 5. Here it's a power 2 is there. Now here again it's a 4 into x square into 6 into x cube into x raised to 5 is there. So we can multiply, it's a 4 into 6 into x square into x cube into x raised to 5. So 4 6 are multiplication of that constant numbers, 4 6 are 24, and for the multiplication of this power form, the law is the powers have same base and they are in multiplication, we can perform addition of its power. So it's x raised to, addition of power is 2 plus 3 plus 5, addition of all 3 power. So our answer is 24 into x raised to 10 is the answer. Done? Third question, it's a 6x raised to 6 divided by 2x square is there. Now for this one, two powers are in division. So first write in numerator and denominator form. 6x raised to 6 divided by 2x raised to 2. Now here we can simply, or you can say directly, perform the division of this constant part. 2 3s are 6. But for the division of this power number, here you can say that this x raised to 6 and x raised to 2 are in division, their base are equal, so we can perform the subtraction of these two power, and here the power of numerator is greater than power of denominator, and that's why we have to perform the subtraction at the numerator. So it will be 3x raised to 6 minus 2, and that is equal to 3x raised to 4, 3x raised to 4. Done? So now next one is question number 4, which is 12x raised to 3 divided by 4x raised to 5. So again division, so it's a 12x cube divided by 4x raised to 5. So for the division of these two power number, we can perform the division of this constant part, 4 3s are 12. But for the division of this power form, here exponent of denominator is greater than this numerator, so we will perform subtraction at the division. So numerator 3 as it is, and the subtraction of power in denominator, it's a x raised to 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3. So this is equal to 3 upon x square. 3 upon x square is the answer. Done? Next question, it is given as 2x square raised to 3 multiplied by x square. So here you can see that it's a power of power. So power of power means you can perform the multiplication of this exponent. So it's a power of power as well as power of multiplication. 2 into x square is there. So we can apply this power 3 to this 2 as well as this x square. So first we will apply the power of multiplication rule. So it's a 2 raised to 3 multiplied by x square raised to 3 into x square. Power of multiplication, and now here it's a power of power. Simplification, 2 cube is 8 multiplied by, this is x raised to 2 raised to 3. Power of power, when power of power is there, we can perform the multiplication of this 2 power. It's a 2 into 3, it's a x raised to 6 multiplied by x raised to 2. Again, these 2 powers are in multiplication, they are in the same base, so we can perform addition of this 2 power. So that is equal to 8 into x raised to 6 plus 2, and this is equal to 8x raised to 8, 8x raised to x. Done. Now question number 6. Here it is given 3x cube raised to 3 divided by 3x square. So these 2 powers are in division, and this one is power of this multiplication. So again it's a power of multiplication, 3 cube into x cube raised to 3, x cube raised to 3 divided by 3x square. Again power of power. So 3 cube divided by 3. So 3 raised to 1 minus 3. And this one is 3 cube divided by 3 raised to 1 multiply by this one x raised to 3 raised to 3. So it's a power of power. So we can perform the multiplication of this power. So 3 3s are 9. So that one is x raised to 9 divided by x square. Separate this constant part and variable part. So again these are in division, 2 powers are in division, they are having the same base, so we can perform the subtraction of this 2 power. Here power of numerator is greater than power of denominator, so we can perform the subtraction at numerator. Same way here 2 powers are in division with the same base x, so we can perform the subtraction of this 2 power. Power of numerator is greater than power of denominator, so subtraction will be performed at numerator. Here it's also in numerator. So simplification is 3 raised to 3 minus 1 into x raised to 9 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 2, 3 square is 9, x raised to 7. 9x raised to 7 is the answer, final answer students. So now next one is question number 7. 12x raised to 9 divided by 3x raised to 6 multiply by 2x square. This is given. So first we have to simplify the bracket, and whenever the bracket is there, first we will simplify that bracket. So here this bracket is division of this 2 power. So this one is 12x raised to 9 divided by 3x raised to 6 multiply by 2x square. So this is equal to, now constant part 3 4s are 12, and here again x raised to 9 upon x raised to 6. These 2 powers are in division, same base, so we can perform the subtraction of this 2 power. Power of numerator is greater than power of denominator, so we will perform subtraction at numerator. So it's a 4 into x raised to 9 minus 6 into 2x square. So it's a 4 2s are 8 into x raised to 3 into x square. Again these 2 powers are in multiplication with the same base, so we can perform addition of these 2 power. So that will be 8 into x raised to 3 plus 2, and this is equal to 8x raised to 5. 8x raised to 5 is the answer. Question number 8. It's a 3x raised to 5 multiply by 2x raised to 4 divided by 6x cube whole square is there. So again, first we'll simplify this bracket. So it's a 3x raised to 5 multiply by, this one is 2x raised to 4 divided by 6x cube whole raised to 2 is there. So here simplification is 2 3s are 6, x raised to 4 upon x cube. Two powers are in division with the same base, with power of numerator is greater than power of denominator. So we'll subtract this 3 from this 4. So this one is 3x raised to 5 multiply, this one is x raised to 4 minus 3 upon 3 raised to 2. This one is 3 x raised to 5 into, this one is x by 3, x square by 3 square and x by 3 whole square. So it's a power of division. So we can apply this power to numerator as well as denominator. Here numerator is x, so it's a x square. Here denominator is 3, so it's a 3 square. Now again we can write this 3 square in the denominator of this 3. So it's a 3 upon 3 square into this x raised to 5 into x raised to 2. X raised to 5 into x raised to 2 is x square. Again this is 3 raised to 1, this is 3 raised to 2. So two powers are in division with the same base, so we can perform the subtraction of these two power. Here power of denominator is greater than power of numerator, so we can perform subtraction as denominator. And here two powers are in multiplication with the same base, so we can perform the addition of these two power, 5 plus 2. So this is equal to x raised to 5 plus 2, 7 divided by 3 raised to 2 minus 1, it's a 1, so 3. So answer is x raised to 7 by 3. Now question number 9. Here it is 2x square raised to 2 multiply by 3x cube raised to 3 divided by 6x raised to 6 whole raised to 2. Whole raised to 2. So again, first we'll simplify these brackets. So it's a power of multiplication. So this will be 2 square into x square raised to 2. What is power of multiplication? When power of multiplication is there, we can apply power to both the multipliers. Into, this one is 3 cube into x cube raised to 3 divided by, this one is 6 square multiply by x raised to 6 raised to 2. So now power of power simplification. So this one is 2 square into 3 cube, 2 square into 3 cube into x raised to 2 into 2. So it's x raised to 4 into x raised to 3 3s are 9. Rearranging the terms. First we are writing the constant term, that means terms with the constant base, and then terms with the x as a base. This one is 6. Again we can write this 6 as a 2 3s are 6 and whose power is 2 into, this one is x raised to 6 raised to 2. So it's not 6 square, it's a 6 2s are 12. So it's x raised to 12. Again this is power of this multiplication, so we can write 2 square into 3 square. So this is equal to 2 square into 3 cube into this one. Two terms are in multiplication with the same base, so addition of power 4 plus 9, 13 upon 2 square into 3 square into x raised to 12. 2 square cut. Again this one is 3 cube upon 3 square. So these two powers have the same base. They are in division, perform the subtraction of power at numerator. So it's a 3 raised to 3 minus 2. So 3 only, and this will be x into 13 minus 12. So it's only x. So our answer is 3x. Done. And last one, that you can try by yourself. So it's a 3x cube raised to 2 multiplied by 2x square raised to 3 divided by 12x raised to 4 multiplied by 2x raised to 6. Students, try this one by yourself. Question number 10 that you have to solve by yourself, and you have to comment your answer in our comment box. Clear, students? So these are the additional practice sums based on the laws of exponent. Pause the video, note it down, and do more and more practice for these sums.